let's talk about keeping our craft rooms organized. I'm going to start off by saying that I don't have this figured out. If you're here for like a straight out of Pinterest craft room looking space, I'm not your girl. But if you're looking for somebody who hasn't figured it out but wants to figure it out and is going to hopefully figure this out, and you can come along with me for the ride, then you found your girl. So what I decided to do for this year, after, the madness of 2020 that will not be over anytime soon, is to make some goals using my Power Sheets planner from Cultivate What Matters. And one of those goals that I have is to declutter and organize. And the main place I need to do that is my craft room. So let me know in the comments below. Are you clean and organized, or messy, or maybe organized chaos, or whatever you like to call yourself? Let me know in the comments below. So one of the struggles that I have is that I have too much stuff. I have too many crafts that I enjoy doing. I like to sew. I like to do my heat transfer vinyl. I like to do vinyl decals. I obviously like to do my cups and my keychains, and also make and sell candles. So it's a lot. What I first am going to try to do is pare down the supplies that I have. I have a ton of things that I really don't use anymore, and I'm not going to use anymore. So I'm going to try and gather things that I can get rid of, either donate or maybe do some sort of selling de-stash. I don't really know what I'm going to do with that yet, but I'm going to try to find a way to get rid of some stuff, which also will require me to stop buying stuff. So what I'm planning to do for January, let me know in the comments below if this is something you're interested in. And I want to do no spending on craft supplies that I absolutely don't need. If I need something for an order, I will buy it, but I have spent so much money in the past several years on random craft supplies that I am going to not spend a single penny on anything new. So before we get started, let me show you what this place looked like a couple weeks ago. It was just so outrageous. It was such a mess. I'm so happy it looks a lot better, but man, it has a really long way to go. So I do have a lot of space and storage solutions that I have added over the past several months. So my goal for the next several weeks is to clean out everything that's in each one of these storage places and get rid of things I don't need, and then find a way to get it back in an organized way. So let me show you some of the things that I have. The first main space that I have is my pegboard. I absolutely love it, but I do need to spend some time working on making it functional and work for me. So I have baskets of things. I need to figure out how to put up my other basket. I've got some shelves which work, and then I like to put like paper towels and stuff here. And I also have my cutting mat and some rulers, and then right next to it I do have some spice racks for glitter. Now all of those work really well. I do need to just kind of organize that just a little bit. And then I have my cart here that used to be mostly for planner stickers and planner stuff, but I haven't really been doing that, probably because it's 2020 and I haven't had plans all year. I did get this wardrobe cabinet from Target that's really promising, that does have a lot of space. So I've started filling it, just need to kind of go through it a little bit more. And I've started putting my tumbler boxes in there as well. More recently, I got these desktop and storage from IKEA. Again, still need to figure out exactly how to organize them, but my goal is to have this completely clean. I've got more glitter over here, and to have all of this clean as well. But for the sake of today, my goal is right here. I have this random cart that used to be upstairs, but I don't have any place for it. I'm going to take everything out, get stuff that I'm gonna, throw away that's garbage, and then I'm gonna organize what I have left. So the other thing it comes down to is that I am a messy crafter. Like I'm not a naturally organized person. It's just not who I am. So I'm a messy crafter and I don't always put things away. But I think part of my problem is that all the stuff I do need to put away doesn't actually have a home. So like I'm just moving it around, like, oh, I'm just put in this corner and then I need that corner, so I'm gonna move it to this corner. And it's not working for me. So, you know, one of my goals for the first quarter of this year will be to get this space organized. And I think that comes with a few different parts. One, get rid of things. Two, make sure everything does have a place to be put away. And three, focus on making sure that every couple days or maybe once a week, I actually put things away. But it only works if I have somewhere to put it. I'm going to clean this up right now, hopefully see how much I can get done before nap time is over. I would love you guys to come along this journey with me that surely will take me more than this 2 hours I'm sitting here. This whole corner is like a very hot mess. So I'm at least going to pick up the glitter. I don't have containers for it because they're out of stock, but I'll at least pick it up so it's a little less of a problem. Okay, so I got this whole area behind me cleaned up. I got my vinyl reorganized. I've got printed vinyl and glitter vinyl. I've got permanent Oracle 651. I've got scraps. I've got removable plus like stencil and some OrGuard laminate that I have. And then I have HTV. These are 12 by 12 scrapbook cases from Michaels, but I'm sure you could get them on Amazon as well. I only have a few things left right here that I just don't have a place for, like personal items, and I don't have a good keepsakes sort of system. So if you guys have one, let me know in the comments below. I guess I can just throw it all in like a shoebox or something, but if you have something creative for, like, these are just little notes that I got from my students. Nice things, like they used to do little thank you notes at Thanksgiving time. So I always keep these. I want to keep them forever, but I don't really have anything to do with them. Why they're in my craft space? Don't ask. This part is still kind of random, but I need to figure that out. I need to clean out these drawers still, and I definitely need to clean the top. But today, my 18-month-old decided that it's a no-nap day, so that's all I have time for. So staying organized is really hard for me, and it is a work in progress. I don't know how I'm gonna tackle this in 2021. It's been something I've just been putting off for years and years and years and years, and I've just sort of let my space just get cluttered and messy, and it triggers my anxiety, and it's just time. It's time to try and put some intention in keeping my space clean. If you want to see how I organize my pegboard, if you want to see what the heck I do with this situation over here, you know, make sure you let me know in the comments and subscribe so I can create content that you actually want to see. Though, that's my cat Dory. And make sure you join us in the Facebook group that I will link down below. It's a great community of crafters alike, and I think we're going to put something together for a little challenge in the new year. I know this video is a little bit different than what I normally do, but if you're interested in learning how to make tumblers or keychains, join me in this video.